Good morning. Something a bit different today. We are at, where are we boys? Tough Mudder. We're doing 15k. I think there's like 18 odd obstacles. I did it like 8 years ago, and I brought the boys along with me today. It's a bit chappy. We get September 21st, and yeah, we're gonna give it a crack, give it a go. So come along, watch on, and we'll try and get.
Fucking time, mate.
Let's go. Got the old bag drop.
No, don't grab his chest, you weirdo. Just grab the reins. Mount your steed. Get your lasso ready. Whip your lasso and ride your pony around the area. Let's go. Ride it.
Right, what is going on here, mate? Yeah. Go on, Brian. Go on. Just
Good. Arms together, wrists together. Out, up, down, repeat.
Little shoulder.
And shake it off, kick it down. Mudders, that is your warm-up done for the day.
Motherfuckers.
Get yourself right in front of the stage.
Come on, boys.
Come on. Oh, we're just going.
Bash. Yeah. That's alright. Just get one, innit? Little clip.
Do you want me to light it on? I'll leave it there.
That's all good. No, just. Go on, hop over that side.
No, because I'll fucking wait.
Go on, Josh. Frank. Oh, leapfrog. Come on, get up, boy. He's lost all his strength already.
He's done,
He's going upwards, run out.
Oh,
Oh, sorry.
Fucking wild boy. This is all I can stand up under, isn't it? Right, that was wicked.
Oh, where's Josh?
Yeah.
Alright, Josh, we got to get there for Monday, boy.
We'll work tomorrow, mate.
Oh, look, it's got cut on the barbed wire, look. Send it! Ah!
We're looking for branded potatoes in the water. If you can find
I ain't finding nothing. Come on!
Subway party here at Discard Pack. Find some branded potatoes with a prize. Have we got any? We've got some elbow feet at the moment.
What about bolting?
We have one on the left. Smile and wave, guys.
You gotta get in, son. Oh no! We've just done about 15-20 minutes of running, so there's a long old running bit through there. Obviously we have done the 15k, so what did we expect? Can't be all obstacles, but yeah, we are thick with mud.
Cakes, man.
Come on, Frankie boy. Yeah, cheeky. Oh, that's gnarly. You're fully in the water.
Oh, right, everyone's got to push it as well.
Yeah. He's in. Is it cold? Oh my god. Oh, it's so cold.
Hey, what is it?
Come on. That's it. Come on. We're going in. Oh, mate. Landed on me. I could have done that whole thing.
How the fuck did you get up this thing?
I'll film you from here, boys. It's that first bit that's the most difficult. Yeah.
It's alright.
Yeah, but she's done This is the icing, so there's a tunnel that drops into the ice, and then you got to use the tyre to get underneath. Boy, should we go in that? We're like sort of in the middle of the scene too. The ice cubes, they're just topping it up. Oh, this is insanity. This was the worst one last time I done it, so yeah. Then over there is electric shocks. I was just saying to the boys, a lot of people like crawl through it and that. You just got to run through it. No waiting about. Oh, that sounds horrible. Oh my god.
Oh, ready boys? Good luck. Let's go. Oh, that's still the worst one. I've got headaches, bro. That's still the worst one. Oh, fucking hell. Fuck, man. Mate. I've got all numb there. Fucking hell. Mate, I had a straight up headache after that.
Next one, you got to help people out, so we're going to get muddy and that again.
Well done, guys, everybody.
Yeah. That's a little weird, isn't it? Because we're nothing around. Go for it, lads, because I'm fucking shattered.
I want like 5 people there.
I think it was like a pocket he's back.
Yes. Go on, Josh. Come on. I'm filming.
You had to crawl on your back through there, it's disgusting. I feel like a hippopotamus. I've just got dry. Now I'm so I've done myself. Bosh. That was karma. Oh, that is rough. Get the fuck on. Get off me, boy.
So welcome everybody to EST. Don't do it slowly because it's going to pull some electricity every second.
That's got metal, that. Come on. Ching ching. Dry now. Ready. And yeah, they give us a couple of bits like water, beers, beef jerky and all that kind of thing. But we're just going back in now to see what else we can grab. Because it's like a Subway stall and all that sort of thing. Giving out 3 little mini jacket potatoes here. T-shirts, grenade bar mix thing over there. She's giving out the tasters for the pizza. Loads of different freebies. Come on. Yeah, but how'd you find it, boys?
It was good.
Yeah?
Cold.
Yeah.
And bruised, but very cold.
At the end, like, you're just so fit with mud, you just get a bit like sick, you just want to get back and get dry, but then once you're dry, we just think, oh, that was a right laugh, do you know what I mean? And obviously, as you can all see, we was having a good time. I think one of the ladies got a video of me absolutely flooring Josh in the mud. We both ended, but then I end up down in the mud as well, so that's going to be funny to see. If I can find it, I'll clip it in. But yeah, no, it's honestly right laugh. So yeah, definitely recommend it. Second time doing it. I would do it again, 100%. Hope you enjoyed the video. Something a bit different to what we usually do. But yeah.